Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Courtney if you're new here, and if you're not, then welcome back. I'll show you how I install this lace frontal wig. As you can see, it is laid girl. So if you want to see this, just keep watching. I'm back. So just some quick details about this hair. This is Nadula hair, and it is a body wave 360 lace front wig. It is human hair. The hair type is Brazilian, and the density is 180%. Dense girl. The length is 22 inches, all right? We got them inches this time around. And the lace, y'all, yeah, the lace it's transparent. I'm pretty sure it's transparent. I'd have to check the detail of the hair, but the lace matches my skin tone amazingly. So to start off, I place the wig on my head and just measure it up to make sure the ear tabs match up with my ears. Go in with my alcohol and alcohol pad and wipe my forehead to remove any excess oil that might be there. Once I'm done with that, I apply some Got2b gel on my edges to make sure my edges aren't caught up in the gel that I'm going to apply. Then I'm going to grab a comb and just wet it with some water and comb back any baby hair or flyaway hairs that the wig may have. My Got2b and apply it on my forehead, and I'm going to apply it in sections. So first I start off with that front part and then fan it out. You can use a blow dryer. I just didn't have a blow dryer at this time, so I just used whatever I had around. Once I feel that is tacky enough, I place the lace right on top of that gel. And then use the back of my comb to press it into my skin. I don't want to touch it with my hands, only because I don't want it to turn white. I've seen that happen before, so I'm just trying to be extra careful. Basically got it melted already. Look at that. All right, and then I'm just going to move on to the next piece that I have and just apply my gel. Then once it's tacky and it's a little sticky, I will place the lace right on top of it. Some free spray on top of the portion that I just did, just to make sure it's really in there. It's just an extra security. just going to continue what I just did And just repeat that all across my head. Once I reach the part where the lace is on top of my ear, I cut it in the middle. So I trace where my ear is and I cut it in half. So in the middle. I don't know how to explain it, guys, but you can kind of see what it is that I'm doing there. So I cut it first down the middle where my ear is, and then I cut around it. To me, the trickiest part is cutting the ear tab. I don't know why, but it's just, I don't know, it's not as easy as it looks. Once I've got that piece laid down, I grab my head wrap and wrap my edges, basically. And I just secure the lace where it is. This step is crucial, guys. This is a crucial step. This is what's gonna get your lace melted, give it that melted look. To cut my lace, I cut it in 3 parts. So first I start with the middle part, and then I'll just go to the side. Don't cut it straight across. Try and cut it kind of jagged. You want it to look natural, and if it's too straight, then it's not gonna look natural. So be sure to wiggle that scissors around, or razor, whatever you decide to use. And as you can see here, my lace lifted a little bit around the ear tab. So I just grabbed some more Got2b gel and laid it down. Just place it on top of the lace and then laid it down. And now I'm just going back in and cutting even more of the lace, so even closer, because you don't need extra lace there. What's that little dance I'm doing? Okay, and once I'm done with that, to lay the ragged edges that I just cut, I just grab some more Got To Be gel and apply it on top of, on the ends of the lace. So I just tighten my wrap again. Crispy edges right now, so I'm just using my rat tail comb, and combing out some of the gel that's there. But as you can see, this lace is laid. It is there. It is tacked onto my head. It is not going nowhere. One thing I would recommend if you're doing this at home or wherever you're doing it, definitely move that lace up a little more closer to your eyebrows so your forehead isn't protruding the way mine is. So you're welcome to stop at this step here if you don't want baby hairs, but girl, I need some, okay? I need some desperately. So I'm gonna start making my baby hairs. I use some mousse to lay my edges. I just find it's easier to manipulate. And guys, I'm not the best at doing edges, especially when it comes down to lace fronts. I don't know why. It's easier to do my own versus a wig, but do as best as you can. That's what I do. And I'm using a razor comb to create my baby hairs. Thank God for baby hairs. So once you've done that and you like how it looks, then you are done. I just love how this hair looks. It's so pretty. And that is it, guys. It gives me such summertime vacation vibes. I just love it. It looks so cute. Thank you so much for watching my video. Be sure to come back to see more things that I can show you guys.